Think you can't buy a home with low credit? Here's the truth. You can still get approved in 2025. FHA loans are the most flexible option for low credit buyers. Credit scores as low as 500 can qualify. With a score above 580, you can put as little as 3.5% down. Even with a score below, there's still a path to homeownership. Look into other options like VA loans for veterans or DSCR loans focused on rental income. Hard money loans focus on property value, while bank statement loans help self-employed buyers. Boost your odds. Save for a larger down payment or get a cosigner to help strengthen your application. Can you buy with a 500 credit score? Yes. FHA requires a 10% down payment, but it's possible. Your credit score shouldn't stop you from building wealth. Visit investorsparadise.com to explore your options.